Hello guys, welcome to this video. Ben here. Today I am going to talk about this daily range and this daily recap and the trades I have taken today. Alright, hello guys. So today we're going to be starting on the 4-hour time frame because this is how we identify our bias. Because I want to help you guys and not just show you what happened. Okay guys, so what do we have here? We talked about this way before in our last videos. We have talked about this SMT here, and in the weekly recap we also did talk about this, and then we talked about this high. And if you have watched one of my earlier videos, I did say that I wanted to take this high because it did not take this, it did not really go into this, so I was thinking it was inducement, right? What we did today is we literally went up into this gap, right? And immediately from here I was bearish, right? This was an Asia session, so I didn't take anything, of course, but I was bearish today, okay? So after we know that, basically what happened was, if we go a little bit on low time frame, at around here at 8 a.m. immediately we closed below this gap, making this an inverse. So that means I was even more bearish. So I wanted a bearish open, which we got. But I was not trading here. I did not want to trade all this. I did not want to trade these weird conditions we have today because we have FMC and stuff. So yeah, basically I did not take anything around open, but I did. But when there was some night trades to be caught here. I did not, however, take any of this. So what I took was, I took this trade. I think exactly from the bottom actually, and my stop was around here, and my TP was right here. This is what I took today. Extremely simple. I will not go too in depth with my trade, but maybe you can spot it, maybe you can't. This is something I want to keep a little bit private because our students, they also need some value, right? We can't be giving everything out. But however, I will go over the day. So yeah, it was a pretty simple day. As we said, we went up into the fall gap, we dumped immediately, then we made some inverses here, we tapped into them, bang, down. And yeah, after this we just continued down, continued down, and then we had some SMT with ES around here, pretty sure. Yeah, around here with ES, and from there it was just simple long for me, a clear long, which is something you always want. You don't want something that's literally like, you don't want something where you're questioning it, then you should not be taking it. You want something that's simple and effective, and you just want to, you just want to have this clear bias and clear mind. If you don't have that, then you should not be trading this day or this setup, okay? So yeah, basically it was quite a simple day, to be honest. We're just bearish, and that's pretty much it. If we're looking at what happens now, we can first of all go to the daily, right? On the daily, we're actually looking decently bullish because we did inverse this gap. We didn't really respect it at all, but we did inverse it. And then we had this weekly this daily SMT, and on the 4-hour, we don't know quite yet what will happen. We have this gap here. We have this bearish gap, which could indicate us that we should go down. I did want to see us retrace it a little bit more, maybe, on this high time frame before we just start dumping again. But this could very much be just like the high, and then we just keep dumping, right? This could very much be kind of what I would be expecting. Yeah. So I would actually, I'm gonna be trying to short, I think. Depends on how Asia goes and how London goes, of course, but I will probably be trying to short this. Looks like a clear shot to me. And well, yeah, as we've talked about earlier, this contract is shit. So if we got an NQH, you can see a little bit better. We have these lows down here, which do look quite juicy, to be honest. They're very far away, yes, but are they unrealistic? No, not really. This is not an unrealistic target, to be honest. And could very much happen with Trump and all. The news. Okay, so if we look at the important news this week, tomorrow we're gonna have FOMC, which can be extremely crazy. So I would not recommend anyone trading, to be honest. But if you do want to trade, just trade with caution. trade with caution, please. It can ruin your whole account this fucking one day. So watch very much out for this. Could do some huge move, either up or down. I could see it go both ways currently. And on Thursday we also have unemployment claims, which is again could move and a lot too. So Wednesday and Thursday gonna be quite insane. Might be a little bit unrealistic and unpredictable and very scary for most traders. Friday will probably be very chill, like nothing really happening. But Wednesday and Thursday, I would be watching out if I was you. This does not mean you cannot trade. Just means you have to be more careful about what you're doing, because you can very quickly get on the fucking wrong side of the market and you're gonna be absolutely raped. I do want to take a little bit to talk about setups at open, because I know that all of you guys may have been longing or shorting or whatever you did. Let's go on the real queue. I know that many of you guys probably were kind of confused at open, so let's see it as it comes. We open on this candle right here. So what are we expecting already? We're expecting shorts already, because we already have this high time frame structure that shows us clear shorts. So from here, what do we see? What do we see immediately at open? We see this SMT right here. Immediately at open, guys. Could not be easier. We have this bearish candle, very bearish. Then we would wait for some retracement. This is also clear. You can just go wherever on this failure gap, even if you can win on here. High stop loss here. And then you can target. You can target these equal lows. You can target this low. You can even target these equal lows. So many targets you can have. And this low, some sauce. We really did want this low to be taken. This was the news low we had from last Friday. So this is something we really wanted to be taken, which is also the one we had SMT with. So this could be a very good target. And just like that, guys, just like that, it's an 1 to 8 RR on open. Very fucking simple, guys. Could not be more simple. And then you might be thinking, so we made SMT here. Hold on, let me remove this. We made SMT to 10 a.m., right? We made SMT with this low I just marked out. Maybe you guys lost on this because we went down, right? That's weird. I thought the 10 a.m. model, right? The 10 a.m. reversal, right? But guys, did you see any inverse gaps here? No. No. This is what I was talking about, guys. When we don't have a structure with us, it's against us. So, all this, not a single inverse at this, in this range here. So what does this mean? We had a failure gap, right? Wait, this gap, right? That's pretty good, right? No. Look at the structure. We have no failure gaps here, meaning we cannot make an inverse, meaning we cannot be bullish here, okay? We cannot be bullish on this range. It's simply impossible. And yeah, after this we left this high clear to be taken. Could be a good shot if you wanted to, but I did not take this. I wasn't long here. And yeah, we don't want to be longing like this, guys. And then we had this at 11, another macro, by the way. Another macro at 11 where we still had SMT. We still had this SMT, guys. So then, if it's still valid, then you can look for longs. It could not be more simple, guys. It really couldn't. And what do we have? We have a bunch of structure here. We have a lot of it. And what do we do? What do we do? It couldn't be more simple, guys. It couldn't be more simple. This is how you want to be trading. This is the market. It really all comes down to this. You seeing when you should not be trading and when you can be trading. Because this structure, even though it looks bearish, this means that we can be bullish. With this structure, it cannot be bullish. We have no structure whatsoever to be bullish. We just have bearish structure. We don't have a single gap that could be reversed or could be inversed. Here we have a bunch of gaps that could be inversed. Great range to be longing on. Great range. This is how you could have caught the bottom of NQ, the top of NQ. What more do you want, bro? But this is really how you fucking trade. This is ICT in a prime example today. So guys, this was the video. If you want to learn trading, you can join here in a few days when we open up. We also got an affiliate program, 25% forever. It's gonna be amazing, absolutely amazing. And you can also join our Discord here. Join our Discord. Come hang out with us. And yeah, guys, see you in the next video.